Hello, we are in January and this is the first market update of the month. We started the month with a wave of fresh new listings in the Phoenix, Arizona metro. In a typical year, January is the most popular month for luxury and for retirement community listings to hit the market, while March tends to be the peak month for the mainstream. Within the first 3 to 4 weeks of the year, these new listings are met with equal buyer demand, escalating dramatically in January, then tapering off before peaking in May. Surprisingly, listings under $300,000 are seeing a significant increase in new supply, up 15% from last year, and with nearly 3,800 active listings comprising of 18% of the total supply. This is the most affordable range in the Phoenix metro, where sales prices are down 2 to 3% from last year and are continuing to slowly settle down. Granted, for $300,000, you can only get a condo or a mobile home in centrally located areas in Phoenix and Mesa, and mostly entry-level single-family homes in the outskirts in Pinal County, like in Maricopa and Coolidge. All other new listing counts are in line with last year, which is contributing to a more balanced state between supply and demand as we begin 2026. So for those people claiming that Phoenix is not affordable anymore, what they really mean is it's not affordable for them to live where they want to live. That's the key word. For the price that they can afford. Because the listing counts are telling us that the supply of affordable homes under $300,000 is rising. And transaction of that price point is also rising, up 7%, suggesting that affordability strains are easing. If there were truly a lack of affordable homes, then supply under $300,000 will be rapidly declining like it did from 2020 to 2022, where there were fewer than 500 total homes for sale. Now we have 3,800 homes for sale at this price range, and prices are not rising. 38,000, that's 7 times more the amount that we did 5 years ago of affordable homes. It's just that people don't want those. So what this evidence tells me is that it's not a lack of affordable homes to purchase, but an aversion to moving out of your desirable area. 2025 ended with total annual sales up 3.5% more than 2024. By number of sales for the Maricopa County Recorder's Office, the following cities saw the biggest jumps in closed sales last year. Number 1, Goodyear up 16% with a median price point of $486,000. Scottsdale, 5% with a median price point of $900,000. Peoria up 7% with a median price of $515,000. Waddell up 36% with a median price point of $468,000. Sun Lakes up 32% with a median price of $470,000. Anthem up 29% with a median price of $474,000. The 2025 annual median sales price for Greater Phoenix is $451,000. But it's interesting to note that half of the cities with that sales growth have considerably higher median prices. Considering that most of 2025 operated with mortgage rates in the high 6s and low 7s, entering 2026 with rates ranging from high 5 to low 6s, pretty much a whole point less, means payments are at least 10 to 12% lower on the same price homes from a year ago. This is starting to look like a good first quarter in sales in Greater Phoenix so far. So what's going to happen in 2026? While sales transactions are expected to increase, prices are not. Price is the last measure to move when a market shifts, and it can take up to 3 to 6 months to emerge. Price appreciation remains flat in the middle price ranges of $500,000 to $800,000, rising in upper range $1 million and more, and declining under $400,000. Greater Phoenix is pulling out of a buyer's market and edging toward a balanced market, but a seller's market is not on the horizon anytime in the first 2 quarters of the year. This won't be a big home appreciation year. This is the perfect year, however, for those people wanting to move into their forever home. They want to find a perfect house because there's a lot of inventory right now, so lots of choices, and they want to feel like they got a good deal because sellers are more negotiable now. And they got concessions, so they feel good about their purchase and their home, and they're there for the long run. This is the perfect year for that, to buy a long-term investment, because in the long term, homes always appreciate. I'm Selena Costa. I hope this information was helpful. Thanks so much for watching. If you made it this far, don't forget to like and follow, and until next time.